Startup revolution. 5 years after the startup initiative, India has witnessed improvement in the field of entrepreneurship. Now, more new people, new entrepreneurs are coming up with new startup ventures. They are taking the risk of starting something new to the benefit of the society. Now, India is the world's third largest tech startup globally. Investment in startups are growing incrementally each year in the last 4 years. There are new angel investors, new companies, new portfolio managers who are interested in the new businesses. Now, some of the policy interventions which has helped to build the environment of entrepreneurship in India is coming up of digital payment ecosystem such as Aadhaar, Jandhan, UPI and India Stack. This has revolutionized the way India makes payment. Most of the payments now is online, and I'm sure this is certainly going to be a great revolutionary change in the way we see our economy. The next is the Atal Innovation Mission, which has built an ecosystem of tinkering labs, mentors, and students, which has acted as a catalyst for innovations and supporting startups. The National Education Policy 2020 promotes student entrepreneurs by offering vocational education in partnership with industries and introducing coding for school children. National Digital Health Mission presents opportunity for health tech startups. There are a lot of innovative ways in which India is bringing healthcare to the common man. The new Farm Acts give choice of farmers and incentives to bring a change in the way they do farming. New startups, new agri-tech companies are coming in the agriculture value chain, such as storage, finance, transport, aggregation and marketing, and improving the entire value chain, giving better productivity, hence more income to the farmers. Space policy states can establish satellite system through their own build satellite or procure satellite. Now, this is a policy which is still in draft, and I'm sure once these policy interventions start to really show their benefits, it will be a changing dynamic for the entire country. Consumers can now benefit from range of goods and services which will elevate their quality of life. New technologies such as artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, blockchain technology is going to change the way we do transactions and is going to bring efficiency and effectiveness to all the activities which we carry in the economy. And this is something which is a great news for our entire country. And we should all participate in this initiative of making India a better nation.